Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the 2019 Geodetic Engineering Boards, and this came from Calculus. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay John Michael Season tsaka kay John Dave Baro Mendoza. And maraming salamat sa inyong mga Lodi Geeks sa patuloy ng suporta sa channel natin, and pagpalain kayo palagi. So yung problem natin is the average value of the function g of x equals x minus 3 quantity squared in the interval 1, 3 is blank. So ito kasi guys, kapag ganitong klase yung tanong, this is just formula based. So dapat aware tayo sa mga formula when it comes to this type of questions. So if we are dealing about the average value of a function, let's say that is an f of x. So the average value mga Lodi Geeks, that is equal to 1 over b minus a multiplied by the integral of the function. Let's say g of x na lang. Sige, g of x dx evaluated from a to b. So dito gagamit lang tayo ng fundamental theorem of calculus, pero you can also use your calculators here. Since the given interval is from 1, 3, that follows, it follows that a is equal to 1 and we have b equals to 3. And we have the given g of x. So computing for the average value, so the average value of a function, of the given function, is equal to 1 over 3 minus 1 multiplied by the integral, the definite integral specifically, of x minus 3 quantity squared dx from 1 to 3. Actually, this can be, pwede nyo na to i-type diretso sa calculator. Just use multiplication symbol here, and then you will arrive at the average value, which is equal to 4 over 3. So this is very basic mga Lodi Geeks. Just remember the formula. This one for the average value, and you have it na. So the final answer for this board problem is letter B. So if you have questions or clarifications, don't feel free to comment on the comment section. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope to see you more sa mga next tutorial videos natin, and sana mas marami pa kayo matutunan, or kahit paano na-refresh kayo every time na nagpo-post si Sir IG ng mga tutorial videos. Thank you so much everyone. Bye-bye and God bless.